Hi everyone, let's start with the next section, Scripts for System Administration Tasks. This section serves as a crash course on some critical components in today's computing environment, networking. Users might not know what a port is, an IP address, or how to find network interfaces, or NICs, on their computer. This section is about performing system administration tasks common to nearly all users, and we'll be looking at logs, archiving them, job and task management, network connectivity, securing systems using a firewall, IP tables, monitoring directories for changes, and creating users. We will begin with the first video that deals with gathering and aggregating system information. In this video, we're going to discuss the DMI Decode Linux tool, which will gather information about the system such as CPU information, server, memory, and networking. We can get details about the Linux distribution that you are working on. These distributions have a release file that you can locate in the etc folder of the working directory. Now open a terminal and enter this command to get the information regarding the Linux distribution we are working on. Here we can successfully look at the Linux distribution information. The command that we executed has an alternative, and the alternative is the version file that's present in the proc folder. So, run this command and observe the result. As you can see, we will get the output in this format. Next, we will run this command to get the kernel's information. Here, the uname is the tool that we are using to gather this information. Press Enter after running the command and we will get the kernel information. In my case, the output is as you can see here. Let's proceed with the system uptime. For information about it, we need to create the script file named server_uptime.sh using the terminal or the code editor. In our case, we have already created the script file, so we will add these lines of code. Switch back to the terminal, execute the script file using the bash command. Press Enter at the prompt and you will get the uptime of the server. Currently, it's 31. To get the physical server information, we use the DMI Decode tool. While running a DMI Decode command, you must be the root user. First, we will run this command to get the manufacturer's information. You can view the manufacturer name in the output. Next command will help you to get the model name. Here, the model name is VirtualBox. Let's execute the third command to get the serial number. Next, we can get each CPU's information from the CPU info file, which is present in the proc directory using this command. Let's have a look at it. Press Enter and we will get to see complete CPU info with just a single command. Further, we will look at network information. We are going to get the IP address by running this command. Executing it, we will get an IP address information, as you can see here. To get the MAC address, we will run this command. Here, you may replace ENP0S3 with ETH0, depending on your network interface's information. This output is generated successfully. Let's look at the last feature, that is, memory information. To get the total number of slots, we need to run this command. Enter the system password and press OK. In our case, we have 0 number of slots. Then we will run this command to display the total populated slots. The result remains 0. Lastly, to get the total unpopulated slots, we will execute this command in the terminal. On pressing OK, we will get to see this output. That is again 0, as we have 0 number of slots available. In your case, you might get to observe variance in the result. That's all for this video.